For this exercise, we're looking at the graph F that is on page 122, and I'm doing number 18. So you can look at number 18 and see what the questions are that it's asking there, and I'm going to explain that to you. So this is really about how to read a graph. So the first question asks to find f of 4. So when we're looking for f of 4, what is this actually telling you? It's telling you that x is equal to 4. So when I'm looking at this, I want to go over to 1, 2, 3, 4, and I found my 4. And I'm going to look up, and this is actually talking about this point right here. So at that point, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. So what is f of 4? It's 3. All right, let's look at the next part. B is saying find f of -1. So again, I'm going to go over to -1, and I'm going to look at the point that is above or below that, and in this case it's actually on it, and that's all right. So what is that point there? That point there is -1, 0. So what is f of -1? It's 0. The next question says, is f of -4 positive? So we can go over, it's -1, -2, -3, -4. Is this positive? Yes, because it's in the positive section of the y. So if it's above the x-axis, then your y is positive, because these are all the positive parts, these are all the negative parts. So we're looking at this one again, and it's asking, is f of 4 positive? And the answer is yes. For D, it's asking, for which value of x is f of x equal to 5? So this is kind of a backwards thing. Before, I started at my x, but now I'm going to be starting at my y. So I'm going to look over at y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what's the point that is with where the 5 is? It's right here. So that point right there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6, 5. So when it's asking me what's the x here, the x here is equal to -6. Okay, and then it says to find the value of f of 5 minus f of -3. So again, this is just reading the graph. We know that f of 5 is right here. So that's 5, 3. So f of 5 is 3 minus, and then f of -3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So -3, 3. So f of -3 is 3. So this is equal to 0. Now don't be confused, because the biggest problem people are going to make is they're going to see this as multiplication, or, you know, f is times -3 and can I distribute and all that stuff. No, you're talking about a function. So that's what you want to make sure that you don't make those mistakes. You're learning how to read a graph and interpret it as a function.